So it's pretty easy to put together. The instructions aren't particularly verbose, there aren't much instructions, it's just a diagram. It took me about an hour, but mostly because I made a couple of mistakes. You'll need 19mm to hold the end on some of them. So 2 19mm spanners or ratchets and 2 17mm spanners or ratchets. And that'll be it. That's all you need. I think about this engine stand. The engine stand, very pleased that I got a U-shaped engine stand. It works well with the table. It's very sturdy. It has a weird slidey mechanism, which I'm not sure about. Let's be interested to see how that works. Pin thing. This moves backwards and forwards. So, you know, if an engine's on there, you're gonna have to swivel it around and possibly move it backwards and forwards. Again, that'll be interesting to see what it's like in real use. What's really annoying and rubbish about it is it has no brakes on the wheels. So whether I'm going to use chucks or something to like tie it to a bench or something to stop it moving around, whether I need to do that, it'll be interesting to see. Those are my first impressions of this. It's pretty sturdy. The other thing is these arms. The attachment is quite long, it's 6.5 centimetres, and most of the bolts, there's only 2 that are like 10 centimetres that are, you know, going to work well with the engine, sticking into the engine. The others are too short, like 7 centimetres. You only get half a centimetre stuck in the engine at best. So I had to buy 2 new bolts that are 10 centimetres long with the right 1.5mm thread depth. And just as a note, if you don't know about these, if you buy a bolt without the thread depth specified, it's 1.75mm deep, and therefore that wouldn't be good for my engine. So I've had to take some back and get the specified 1.5mm. It leans back a bit further here than I was sort of anticipating, but again, I suppose that's fine. Got this little tray here, it's not very big, but it might be useful. Yeah, so anyway, that's it. And yeah, hopefully today it is going to slot right onto this baby from my table lift thing, raisable table. So yeah, I hope that works well.
Bring the baseline back around again.